Now see the next question, that is question number 9. A brooch is given. A brooch is made with the silver wire in the form of the circular with the diameter 35 mm. Okay, diameters are given here with the length of 35 mm of each diameter. Then the wire is also used in the making the 5 diameters. Wire is also used in the making the 5 diameters, which divide it into the circle into the 10 equal sector as shown here in the figure. We have to find out the total length of this wire. So for the total length of this wire, we have to find out the length of 5 diameter plus length of circumference. So one diameter length is given 35 mm, the radius is 35 by 2. So for the 5 diameter, we have to multiply the 35 by 35 into 5. So we will get the length of 5 diameters. Okay, and then again suppose 35 into 5, length of 5 diameter, and then after that the length of means the circumference, length of the circumference, that is the 2 pi r. Suppose we add it in the 5 diameter length of, we will get the length of the wire. Okay, so length of the this 175, then circumference area of the circumference is 22 by 7 into r is a 35 by 2. Okay, so circumference of the brooch plus length of the 5 diameter will get the length of the wire. Okay, so here the 175, after the calculation we'll get the here the 110. So add it. See, the for the length of wire we have to add the length of the 5 diameter. Only the length of one diameter is given, multiply by 5 it, so we'll get the length of the 5 diameter plus length of the circumference, so we'll get the length of the total wire. Okay, is used total wire length of the total length of the wire used in this brooch. Okay, so total length of the wire used in brooch is 285 mm. Okay, so second is the area of the each sector of the brooch. So area, for the area we have to find out the total the 10 sector divide here by the 5 diameter. Okay, but the for the each sector we have to find out the area, but angle is not given. So angle find out by the, suppose we divide total angle of the circle is a 360 divided by 10, so we'll get the angle of each sector. Okay, so here the angle is a 36 degree. Okay, the total angle of the circle is 360, then divide by the 10, because the 10 part is here formed by the 5 diameter, divide we say, then we will get the angle of the each sector. Okay, now area of each sector. Now we got the angle also here. The substitute in the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square, and the radius is also we know 35 by 2. So 36 upon 360 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. So area of the area swept by each sector, area swept by each sector is, after this calculation, 385 by 4 mm square. Now we get the area also and the length of the each wire also. Okay, so next question, that is question number 10, is same as this question. Here the rib is given. See, an umbrella has the 8 ribs. Okay, means total 8 part is given, equally spread, assuming the flat circle of the radius 45. Radius is also given. So find out the area between the two consecutive ribs. Okay, means find out the area of the one sector, but angle is not given. Same 360 divided by 8 we will get the angle. So try to solve this question same as this question. So now we are moving towards the question number 11 now. Okay, so car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wipers has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle 115 degree. Find the total area clean at each sweep of the blade. So information is given, so from that information we have to find out only the area here. Okay, so now see what is the given information. Given length of the blade of the wire means radius is given. Okay, length of the blade of the wire means radius 25 centimeter. So radius of the sector sweep by the blade is a 25 centimeter. Area cleaned by the each sweep of the blade means area of the sector. Area of the clean, suppose the this is a area cleaned by this each blade. Okay, so this is rotate the each blade area means one sector, one sector. So sector sweep by the blade, the angle of the sector formed by the blade is already given, the 105, and the radius is also given. So find out the area. Firstly find out the area of the sector form, area of sector form. Okay, so area, substitute in the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is already given 105, 360 into 22 by 7 into r is a 25 into 25. After calculation we will get here, suppose, so here we have to find out the total area clean at each sweep of the blade. Okay, each sweep of the blade means two blades are given here, so multiply the by 2 the area cleaned by the one wiper. Okay, two wipers are given, so multiply by 2 each, so we will get the final answer here. So directly we can multiply by 2 here. Okay, suppose you can write total area clean at each sweep, each sweep at the blade means 2 times, that means the 2 times area cleaned by the one wiper, 2 times area clean by the one wiper. Okay, this is area cleaned by the one wiper, multiply by 2, so we will get the area clean at the each sweep at the blade. Okay, multiply by 2, after multiplying by the 2 to this we will get the answer directly. Okay, I'm writing here, try to calculate the answer. So answer is 158125 by 126 centimeter square. Okay, this is the final answer. Try to calculate it and try to solve this question number 10 for the homework. Okay, so thank you.